I am Anil Kumar, and in this series, we'll talk about few questions based on percent, and I'll like to give you some shortcuts which will help you answer these questions. The question here is, a $120 designer shirt was put on sale for 30% off. It didn't sell, so the price was lowered an additional percent off the sale price, making the new price to be $67.30. What was the second discount? You can always pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. So what we note here is that the initial price is $120. We are given 30% off. Then we get some price. It didn't sell at that price, so X percent additional off is given. And finally, the price of the shirt is $67.30. We need to find what this X price is, right? So that's the question. Now think like this. The values which I have shown here, these are discounts. Discounts means you don't pay. So what do you pay? Think like this. What do you pay? You don't pay 30%, but you pay 70%. And then on that 70%, you don't pay X percent, but you pay 100 minus X percent, right? So you pay, or in decimals we can write, so we'll say for the time being 100 minus X percent. That is what you pay. And normally, when we work on these percent problems, we always write these values not in percent, but in decimals. So let me write here decimals. That means decimal equivalent. So decimal equivalent for 70% is 0.7, and this is 1 minus R percent, you can say. We'll convert this into percent later. Okay. So that kind of becomes our payment to be made. So we started with $120. Let me write down the equation now to help us solve. We started with $120, 120. We paid 70%, means 0.70, less amount, right? Okay, it didn't sell, so even lesser. If we are giving X percent discount, right? Let's say X percent is, let's say 40%, then you pay 60, right? Which is 1 minus whatever X is, okay? We can write 1 minus X also. That is a discount. Okay. And the price becomes $67.30. This is what the equation is. The only variable here is the percent discount, which we can find. Do you see that? So 1 minus X is equals to 67.30 divided by 120 times 0.7. So let's calculate this. So we have 67.3 divided by 120 equals to divided by 0.7, and that gives you, let's write decimal. So around we are given 0.80, right? So that is the value of 1 minus X. So what is X equals to? So X is equals to 1 minus 0.8, and that is 0.2. 0.2 means 20%. Do you see that? So that is how we can actually calculate the additional discount which has been provided to get the value. I hope that helps. So the idea here is, once you have discount over discount, just multiply the quantity by 1 minus 0.3. So let me rewrite this in a direct way. So here it becomes 120 times 1 minus 0.3, right? And then this place, you again times it by 1 minus X, correct? You get your answer. Because what you pay is take away discount from 100%. So that much payment is equal to 67 30. Do you see that? So that is how easily we can actually solve such questions. I hope that helps. Feel free to post questions, subscribe to my videos, and share them with your friends. Thank you.